Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday. How are
Are you
you?
tired?
Yeah, sorry, a little bit. Yeah,
That's why. Me too. I feel a little bit tired, but it's okay.
yeah,
That's because tomorrow is already Friday.
yes,
Right.
right.
Yes. Any plans for the weekend?
Actually, for this weekend, I don't have any special plan.
You don't have any special plans yet, right? Yes. Well, it's okay. Maybe taking a rest would be great.
Sure, yeah.
Right. Okay. Well, do you have anything else to share with me?
No, nothing special to me.
Okay. What is the article that you had chosen for today's class?
Okay, that I'd like to discuss about the number um, okay, 658.
Mm-hmm. Oh, science and technology.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Could you please read your article?
Okay, magnets hold things to our refrigerators, and inside the compasses, they can they help us find our way. Now, researchers have found a way to use magnets like a remote control to turn on cell-carrying metal beads. The technology may point to new treat- treatments for diseases such as cancer, which kills more than 7 million people every year. Scientists at Yonsei University in South Korea developed a new technology which can flip a dead switch on cells, causing them to self-destruct. The researchers described how they use their methods to kill cancer cells in the journal Nature Materials. The outside surface of every cell contains many receptors, each functioning like a chemical lock. When the appropriate chemical slides into a receptor, this chemical acts like a key, unlocking some particular action of the receptor. In a sense, these receptors allow the outside world to communicate with the interior of the cells. Activating one of these receptors, known as death receptors 4, will release a signal that instructs the cell to die. For the Yonsei team, the trick was figuring out how to activate their receptor. They turned to nanoparticles of iron. These bits are far too small to be seen with the human eye and much smaller than the cells themselves. In tests, the researchers added the iron protein converts to red dish containing colon cancer cells. As a team had hoped, the protein glued the nanoparticles to the cells. Then the scientists used magnets to pull on the nanoparticles and flip the death receptors to switch. At once, cells start to die. After 24 hours of this magnetic therapy, more than half of the cancer cells were dead. That's all.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
Right. Any questions about the vocabulary?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what did researchers find out about the use of magnets?
Researchers found out a way to use magnets to remote control to turn on cell killing. metal beads.
Right. And who developed the new technology which can flip a death switch on cells, causing them to self-destruct?
Scientists at Yonsei University in South Korea developed a new technology which can flip a
Wow.
death switch on cells.
Nice. Okay. What will happen if they release a death receptor called death receptor 4?
Mm, where that will release a signal that instructs to cell to die.
Right. Okay. What do you think about this new discovery of scientists at Yonsei University?
Yeah, I think uh, this technology is really remarkable, and then
Mhm.
I want them to use for human as well as soon as
Mhm.
possible.
Okay. You want them to use
Uh,
human?
yeah, human as a new therapy to cure the cancer.
Okay. Do you think it would be possible?
Of course, yeah,
Mhm.
from the article, it describes how to magnet can kill the cancer cells. So
Mhm.
I want to know about this theory detailing.
Right. Yes, amazing. If it
Yeah,
is, you can just use magnet in killing cancer cells. That would be so great.
yeah.
Right. Yes. And what is the most common cause of cancer in Korea? And do you think that there is a way to decrease the number of cancer patients?
Yeah. In Korea, we have lots of cancer by salty food.
Cancer by
Salty food.
salty food.
Yeah, because we
I
are eating
see.
lots of salty food from
Mhm.
kimchi and lots of soybean soup and other things.
Uh-huh. I see. That's why. So usually, what kind of cancer? Colon cancer, stomach cancer?
Number one rate is mm, is the stomach cancer.
Stomach cancer,
Yeah,
usually, and
from
that is
Koreans.
caused by salty food.
Yes, right.
Right. Oh,
Salty
how
food
about? Uh-huh.
or and burnt food.
Uh-huh. I see. How about lung cancer?
Lung cancer is number three or
Number
number four.
3.
Yeah.
Oh. So what is number 2?
Number two is instinct. Instinct cancer.
I'm sorry.
Instinct.
Entin? What is entin?
Instinct. I mean gut. Gut cancer.
Ah, I see. Intestine.
Intestine. Yeah, intestine.
Intestine.
Yeah.
Right. So related to stomach cancer.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. What is the cause of intestine cancer?
Yeah. Similar to stomach cancer by some foods. Yeah. mm, Such as burnt food or alcohol. Drinking alcohol
Mm,
can cause that kind of cancer.
I see. So alcohol as well, right, can cause, right, those types of cancer. Yes. And do you think there is a way to decrease the number of cancer patients in your country?
Yes, of course, we have to watch our diet and
Mhm.
also not to drink too much alcohol and also stop smoking to decrease
Right.
the cancer
Yeah, so that means we have to have a healthy living.
Yes, right. Regular
Right.
exercise is also very helpful to
Mm.
enhance your body condition.
Wow, regular.
Yeah,
It's
regular.
really hard to do a regular exercise. Right. I see. Okay. And do you think that scientists will be able to find a way to cure serious and incurable diseases such as certain kinds of cancer?
Of course, I believe they can find a way to cure serious and incurable disease
Mm-hmm.
because technology is getting improved, and then one day they could find a way, yeah, proper way to cure that.
Mm-hmm. Right. So it's really possible.
Yeah,
Yes, because one day, yeah, they could, right, find a good solution for that. As you had mentioned, technology is very good these days, especially in
yeah,
your country,
yes, right.
right? Yonsei University is a science university.
Yonsei University is number three, number three university in Korea,
Mm-hmm.
and they have lots of majors, including scientists.
Yeah, because usually when it comes to researches,
Yeah,
usually it's from Yonsei University.
Yonsei.
Yeah, that's why I
And
was thinking
so,
maybe.
actually,
Uh-huh.
Seoul University is number one, and then Korea University is number one that I graduate, and
Uh-huh.
Yonsei is number three.
Ah, I see. Right. For the articles that I had encountered here
Yeah.
in this book, then usually, yes, it's from Yonsei University.
Mm,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's why I was thinking maybe they focus in
Yeah.
science.
Mm, yeah.
Yes, that's why. Right. Ah, okay. Well, at least. Right. I heard Yonsei University is the third top university in Korea as
Yeah.
well. Right. Do you know someone who has a cancer?
Um. Yeah. Of course. In Korea, cancer rate for elderly is almost 20 to 30%. So that means
Oh.
each household has at least one cancer patient in their family members.
I see. Oh no. So it's common for old people.
Yes, right.
Young people, not so much.
Yeah, not so much.
Yeah. So I think then lifestyle in Korea is still okay
Yeah.
because it's not really very common. Yes, for young people. Only old people because as we know, immune system is not so very good when we are getting older as well.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. At least it's not so high because in the Philippines, too high. The rate of cancer is very high, especially
Mm.
diabetes and heart attack.
Oh, diabetes. Oh,
Mm.
because of
Yes.
the food.
Wow, you know exactly. Yes,
Yeah,
Filipinos
yeah,
like
you
sweet,
like
too much sweet, and too
sweet
much
and
oily.
fatty. Yeah,
Yes.
oily.
Right. Actually, when foreigners come to the Philippines,
Yeah.
that is usually their observation. The food is too oily or too sweet.
Mm.
Yes, that's why. Right. But in Korea, I think most people are eating healthy food as well.
Yeah, I
Right.
think so. Yeah.
Yes, it's very nice as well. Mm. Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, time is up. Yeah, most up.
Mhm. All
So
right.
I hope to. I hope you enjoyed the happy weekend.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much. You too. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Okay?
Okay. See you. Bye bye.
Yeah. Good night.